appreciate the NSS unit of PSG College of Technology for taking up the wonderful efforts for organizing the day-long events, a different kind of events. So young people, they have got a wonderful and great talents.
Every event's success depends on its inauguration. One fine inauguration is equal to half success. On 6th of November 2020, with a bustling student participation of around 140 and not to mention about our fierce volunteers, started our success journey, the inauguration day. The best way to celebrate Thanksgiving to Mother Earth is through tree plantation. And that's exactly what our NSS team did. It was from 6th to 9th of November when a lot of students happily shared pictures of their newly planted saplings.
The best way to keep oneself motivated towards a social cause is with a good start. Around 70 students gathered together where they took a pledge to create a carbon neutral campus. Creativity is making marvelous out of the discarded. It's not about what it is, it's about what it can become. The event built out of waste paved a way to hunt treasures out of the junks. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in service to others. This brings us to our event Click and Decode, which brought out many social enthusiasts curiously finding solutions for many pressing global issues.
The main motto for conducting Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat was to promote cultural, tradition, learning and extracurricular activities amongst the participants. We witnessed a very enthusiastic participation from everyone.
The world is rapidly heading towards a healthy lifestyle. Our NSS team, in association with Students' Union, have organized a webinar on healthy foods for a healthy life to emphasize the importance of natural foods.
Well, what is an event when there is no inter-college participation? Yes, presenting to you the highlight of all these events, Astra 2021, the missile to unleash your talents. This event brought around people from all over Tamil Nadu coming to participate in back-to-back events like presentation ideas, webinars, Vision Fest, and yes, not to mention the fun part, we also had fun sessions like Funky Fest and Hometown Sneakers. This event took place for about 2 days and yes, this turned out to be a very big celebration for our entire NSS community.
To unite young and aspiring minds with a thirst for service and social well-being, unit-wise meeting has been organized by our NSS team.
Behind every single fruit of freedom that we enjoy today, there lies thousands of our ancestors' struggle to get us this freedom. We deserve a celebration for this prestigious 75th year of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. That's when we had our mind benders, Ink It Down, and so many such events.
A single poster would speak 1,000 words. Pixel Hunt is when participants came up with lots of intriguing posters for specific themes.
What do you think is the best way to inform, spread a message and entertain? Yes, you guessed it right. Those are videos. Cinematron brought out many young people with their simple yet subtle videos, which was quite impressive.
You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Talent Synergy is all about one's creativity. It had events like Quill, Penvibe, Logophilic and Craft Creators.
When information teams up with creativity, plethora of accomplishments can be made.
Though things weren't on ground, we hope we made the best possible event to keep you all informed and entertained.
This brings us to the closing of Valediction and this academic year.
We convey our gratitude to each and every single person who helped us turn these events into a great success.
We'll meet again with a lot more energy to set a new benchmark for the next academic year. Until then, stay safe, amigos.